Alright, in this video we're going to actually create that shuriken that the little ninja is going to throw. So let's go to create a sprite. We're going to just load a sprite this time, and we'll need the Ninja Adventure sprites. So they should be, I threw them on my desktop, there they are. I think there's one in items. There should be a little shuriken. There it is, shuriken. SPR, you can call it Ninja Star. Ninja Star. Center that. Okay, we're going to add a slight animation to this. Edit sprite, animation, rotation sequence clockwise. We want maybe 10 frames and 360 degrees. So there's our little shuriken preview of that animation. Cool. I'm going to create an object for that. OBJ Ninja Star. Grab that Ninja Star sprite. Should be in player sprites, Ninja Star. I'm going to add an event. Actually, we won't add an event on for the create, but we will add a other outside of view 0. Okay, because we are going to make the room larger, so we don't want to say outside the room, but we just want to delete it when it goes outside the view. So outside the view, we're going to destroy this, which should be main 1. There we go. Okay, now back to our ninja. In the shooting bit, we've got in here we can create this. And first of all, right at the top, we're going to save ourselves a bit of code. We're just going to write this bit once. Ninja star equals instance create. We're going to create it at the X and Y position of the ninja, and we're going to create object ninja star. Then we're going to set ninja star.speed. So this is actually, we can refer to different variables on objects that we've created. So when this creates that ninja star, it returns an ID. We're storing that ID in here, and we're referencing that ID here and saying the speed of that object equals 10. We'll just say 10 for now. We might change that later. But down here, we want to change the direction. So we're going to put that in here. Ninja star.direction equals 0. That is right. Left, ninja star.direction equals 180. Up is 90. Ninja star.direction equals 90. And down is 270. Ninja star.direction equals 270. So let's test this out. We should get a ninja star that shoots. That's way too fast, but it does work. So let's change that ninja star speed. I'm going to change the speed of my player character to 2, and then we'll add another one called throwing speed equals 5. We'll go back to here, and we will, not that one, here, shooting. We'll change this to throwing speed and test that out. It's a good idea to use variables this way so that there's only one place that you need to change them. That's much better speed there. We get that little animation happening. That is a problem, because what happens is he's facing left, so it's the right animation. We hit space, and now it's not the left facing ninja anymore, and so it doesn't know what to do, so it creates a default direction, which is 0 is the default direction. We can fix that up. We'll fix up that bug later on in the program and when we do some bug fixing.